right by the Rockefeller tree. It is so gorgeous during the Christmas holidays. So we made it into New York City and we're stopping at Ace Pizza, which is inside the Rockefeller Center, for lunch. Pizza was really good and we're trying to find FAO Short. They used to have like a big store here, they closed down and they opened up again, and we're trying to find the store so we can go in there and look. And where is it? In the Rockefeller Center. It's in the Rockefeller Center. This is the Rockefeller Center, everyone. Look at that. Huge! So we're gonna go look at that store, and then after that, probably go look at this cathedral that's like right here, and then go to Times Square. The cool thing about this store is upstairs they have a giant piano where you can step on and it actually plays music. So right here is a create your own Barbie. So basically you just choose a Barbie, you choose a style, like all of that. But back then when I was in like, what, kindergarten? I think it was in kindergarten. We went and up to like the second floor was a big Barbie area, and I actually got like to like create my own Barbie, like from the eyes to the hair to the like lips, everything. And like now they don't do that, which is actually really upsetting. But I still have that Barbie to this day. And people don't believe me that I actually made the Barbie because I made the Barbie look like me and it ended up just looking like Barbie. But I did make a Barbie, and that's what I've always loved about coming here as a kid, which is making my little Barbie, and that memory would just forever be in my head. That store was so cute. It honestly just brought back like so many memories from when I was a child, because like the fact that like they took that down made me really upset. And the fact that I went back in there and saw it was so cute. There's like a little bit of a line, like it wasn't that bad of a line. She's vlogging that $20. But we basically just had to wait like a minute just to kind of get into the store or whatever. And my mom looked down the ground and she goes, is that fake? I go, what are you talking about? I look down and she found a whole $20 bill. She goes, let's pay for lunch. So that's our vlog today, I guess. We just found a $20 bill, but we lost $20. Sorry, we got it now. We're heading inside Magnolia Bakery right now. We got a chocolate cupcake and a vanilla cupcake. Look at the little flower. This is so cute.
I'm also getting banana pudding.
And banana pudding.
And large.
To dinner. We're heading up to Stardust Diner. We're trying to see if it's not a long line. So that's what we're doing right now. So we're praying that it's not a long line because we're trying to eat that. And then after Stardust Diner, we have Rocket tickets to see. They're at 10 o'clock.
If I say high school and well-known movie music, there it is. Summer loving, having a blast. Your turn.
Summer loving, happened so fast.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you pluck the confetti from... Thank you. Let's hear it for Bruiser, ladies and gentlemen. Just sang the song. If I ring the little next, surely I will get an acquittal. Some women are, but not to my surprise. The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. It's the circle of life, and it moves us all.
And I fortunately know a little magic. It's a talent that I always have possessed. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl into my help them. Yes, I did. Those poor unfortunate souls. Happy birthday, give me a secret.
So we just ate at Stardust Diners. That was so cool. I love it. I literally, every time we come here, I love eating there. It's such an experience. If you've never been in New York City and you come, like seriously eat there. Even if it's a long wait, like wait in a line because it's so worth it. Seriously. The wait actually was like down the whole block. But the little waitress came up, we were like, party of two, and we're like, us! And literally, like, we walked past this whole long line. It was, like, amazing. So our wait was technically only 20 minutes, when in reality, it was probably, like, somewhere around an hour. But now, it's, like, 7:30ish, something like that. Our Rocket show isn't until 10, so I think we're just gonna go into some New York stores and just look around and see what we can find. Okay, so we are now back home into the hotel. We just watched Radio City Rocket. Such an amazing show. They actually added a whole new part, which is like snow fairies or whatever. So cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. Fun fact, I actually did the Radio City Rockets like summer intensive twice. It was so much fun. I got to see like the behind the scenes. I got to meet some of the Rockettes. I got to dance with them. And I basically know like half their choreography because I did it twice. That like, I was like basically kind of doing the moves. I was like, yeah, that was me in the audience. Highly recommend going to see the Rockettes if you've never been here, never seen them. It's such a spectacular show. Seriously, do it. That is 11:58. Show ended about like 11:30ish. It was about an hour and a half show. I'm now gonna eat my little chocolate cupcake that I got from Magnolia. Here's my cupcake, everyone. Just a chocolate cupcake. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, we're going by Magnolia Bakery again. Guys, look who's here. She came to visit. So she lives in she lives in Hillsdale, New Jersey, so she's like not far.
35 minutes.
Yeah, so she came by. She's like, yeah. Kaylee, I'm here. Come see me.
See you.
Oh my gosh. So we just saw Waz, and now we're on our way to Bryant Park, and it's right over there, which is so fun. And we're gonna try to see if we can find some lunch. Bryant Park has some like really cute holiday shops, which is a really good thing to do whenever it hits Christmas time. Okay, we're gonna try to see Crispy Chick and what they have to offer for lunch. Y'all, I haven't eaten and it's like 12:40 and I'm really starving, so I hope it's good. Here's what we got. We just got 2 fried chickens on a stick with some fries. I got ketchup, she got honey mustard, and then 2 Cokes as well. Okay, so my mom got a Max Brenner hot chocolate. There it is. And we're gonna taste it and see how it is. She got a large, by the way. This is a large. So I don't know.
Not very big, but you know.
So I don't know what the small looks like.
From what I heard, it's really delicious. So here's the first sip.
First sip.
Oh my gosh, it's heaven in a cup.
Everyone
now
says
I know.
that.
Now I know why everybody says it's so good. Because it really is.
Okay, okay. I don't really like hot chocolate, so I'm just gonna take her word for it.
Her.
I know, I'm picky, I'm weird.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will
coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the
Bryant Park was so cute with all the little holiday markets and just everything that you could go in there and look. With all the shops, the food, everything. So much fun. We enjoyed our chicken little cob thingy, the hot chocolate, and also the cookie dough. So we're now walking to Macy's store. It's like a block or two down this way. So we're gonna go ahead and walk there. I'm frozen. My toes don't have any feeling in them, but it's okay. So yeah, we're gonna go check out the Macy's store now.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay.
Does anyone else remember when Toys R Us had a store in Times Square and inside was this huge like Ferris wheel and you were able to ride it? Because I remember that. Like as a kid going in that Ferris wheel and riding it was such a blast. And that's why when I saw that they had Toys R Us now in Macy's, because they went out of business and I guess they're back up now in Macy's, I had to go check it out. There is no Ferris wheel, but still pretty cool to go in there and just see all the toys and all. Outside of the Macy's store, there's big windows displays, so I'm gonna show you guys all the window displays.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
This street right behind me that you're seeing, I've actually danced on it. I did the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade back in 2017, so I actually got to see what this street looked like. The little green carpet and the little turkey on the Macy's Thanksgiving Day little thingy. And it's so cool to walk back on this street again after I, danced in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, and just being able to remember that I did that back in 2017. Like that's just so cool. I had a blast doing that. If I could do that again, I so would. We are now taking the subway to go to Saks Avenue.
Your next stop is your success. And clear negative guard, please.
We are getting ready to watch the show. So exciting. That's so cute. We are eating McDonald's for dinner. We're splitting it. So I just went to go see the peninsula. I'll show you guys what that looks like.
Ooh,
Christmas tree. It is currently 11:30 and the tree turns off at 12. So we're like basically rushing to get there. But this is my outfit, pretty chill. So yeah, I'm excited to see it at night because I saw it during the day, but now I'm excited to see it at night. So it is now the next day and we woke up around 7:30ish. It's now like 8:30 and we're on our way to Times Square right now to go to McDonald's so we can have some breakfast and then we'll hit the subway to go and see the Statue of Liberty. They have the ball up. Look at that. Made it to Wall Street. It's the New York City Stock Exchange. That. All decorated for Christmas. This is what my dad does. He stock trades. And there is a beautiful Wall Street Christmas tree. So we bought tickets to see Statue of Liberty at 11. Right now we're just kind of walking around Wall Street, seeing Stock Trade Center, all of that. And now we're going to go to the 9/11 Memorial so we can go pay our respects. That will be us right there at the helicopter ride. We'll be doing that Friday. So one of the Twin Towers are over there, the other one's right here, and this tree right here where everybody's standing around is the surviving tree. The one thing that survived whenever these Twin Towers went down. Now we just have to go to the Statue of Liberty because our tickets are at 11. Well, now that I got naked for security, there she is. Oh, well, oh, there she is. We're gonna go on the boat. All that ice is stuff right there. Statue of Liberty! Look at her, she's so cute. Okay, so we just seen the Statue of Liberty. If you want to go see it like during a holiday or peak time, choose 9 or 11 o'clock because we just got done with it and it's 1. And the line is like insane. It's like horrible. So I highly recommend doing like 9 or 11 if you don't want to be waiting in line for like 2 hours to get to the Statue of Liberty. But now we're like hungry, so we're gonna go try to find some lunch. I think we're just gonna hit up a Subway just because we're like craving Subway. We saw it and we were like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. So we're gonna go find a Subway now. Okay, so we're back in the hotel now. We're just kind of chilling and getting prepared for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got at the Statue of Liberty. I got 2 things and I only spent about like $12. I got this Statue of Liberty, like little look-alike. I got it so I could put it on my desk. It comes in a protective case, which I was like, hey, like that's kind of cool. And it's the cheapest that I found because I went to all of the New York City stores. And this was actually the cheapest. And it also came from the actual, like, you know, island of Statue of Liberty. So I was like, hey, you know what? I'll buy it. So I got that, which I'm really excited about, so I can put that on my desk. And then I also got this really cute, like, little ducky that has, like, the little crown. Oh my gosh, tell me this is not so cute. It was also $5, so I was like, I'm buying this so I can put it on my little bed. Look how cute it is! So yeah. That's what I did with my adult money today. Okay, so we went back to the hotel and got dressed because we have a reservation at Rolfs tonight, which is like a German restaurant, but inside's like really cute, decorated for Christmas. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing for today. and we wanted to go to the Harry Potter store beforehand, but it's like a long line, so you have to do like a virtual queue. I literally feel like I'm in like a theme park. So we did the virtual queue, and we'll get a text message when we're able to go inside. But as of right now, we're gonna see if we can eat dinner and then get in after dinner, I hope. But they close at 9, so we should be good to go. But I love Harry Potter, and I love the store so much, so I want to go and see it. So yeah, now Harry Potter store is right next to the Flatiron building. The Flatiron building is about like 2 blocks away from Rolfs, so that's where we're going right now. And I hope I'm saying it right. Rolfs, I don't know, but we'll see. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what we got to eat. This is chicken schnitzel with some vegetables and also mashed potatoes. She got the same thing. Here's our bread, and then I also got a Coke as well. So yummy. We just ate at Rolfs. That was so cute inside. It's actually really small, and there's not that many tables, so if you want to do it, reserve. I mean, we reserved it a month in advance.
Month and a half
In advance. We reserved that table before we even booked the plane tickets, so because we were like, we want to go do this. I highly recommend it. It is a fancy restaurant, but the food is pretty good. We had the chicken, what was it called?
chicken schnitzel.
Yes, and the chicken was actually really good, and then obviously the vegetables were good, mashed potatoes were really good. That is also a bar as well, so if you don't get a reservation, you could wait in line for the bar to get a drink or anything like that. So now our virtual line for Harry Potter is available. So we're walking back to the Harry Potter store so we can go in there and look around and maybe buy a few things. So it's now another day, and we're gonna head over to Tom's restaurant to get like breakfast or lunch or whatever we're desiring. Tom's restaurant is basically a restaurant that was filmed within Seinfeld. Obviously the inside wasn't being filmed, but the outside was, and my mom wanted to go, so we're gonna go and do that. I got a BLT, looking good, looks good. Got a nice pickle with it. And she got the lung for Jack.
Pancakes, eggs, bacon, sausage.
And toast. And now we're gonna go head over to Row Bridge, which is a place in Central Park, to take some pictures. Today we went off for a helicopter tour, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Central Park, so that's what I did today too, and I'll show you guys that. Sadly, we're done here in New York City, and I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, and thank you guys for watching so much. And if you're not subscribed already, subscribe because it helps me out a lot. And thank you guys. Bye.